Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the W sound. Now, the W sound is a digraph or special friends because the letters W and H together make the W sound. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard the W sound before. And that's because a W by itself also makes a W sound. W, 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 W. But today, we're going to be focusing on this W sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. W, W, W. Excellent. Now, let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the W sound. Oh, I found some paper. There's no writing on it, it's just a plain piece of white paper. White! Can you hear the W sound at the beginning of white? White, white. Let's see what else we can find that uses the W sound. I found a whale. Can you hear the W sound at the beginning of whale? Whale, whale. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the W sound. Oh, I found a car. I know. Wheel. Can you hear the W sound at the beginning of wheel? Wheel, wheel. Excellent. So wheel, whale, and white all use the W sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the W sound. To write the W sound, we need to write the letter W and the letter H. So for our W, we start at the top, we go down, round, up, down, round, up. And for our H, we start at the top, we go all the way down, halfway up, over and down. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get those magic fingers ready, give them a big stretch, give your shoulders a big roll. Magic fingers. And start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Start at the top, all the way down, halfway up, over and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Start at the top, all the way down, halfway up, over and down. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the W sound. Our first word today is wheel. My turn first. W-E-L. Wheel. Your turn. Wheel. My turn again. W-E-L. Wheel. Your turn. Wheel. Excellent. Our next word is whip. My turn first. Whip. Whip. Your turn. Whip. My turn again. Whip. Whip. Your turn. Whip. Excellent. And our last word for the day is whirl. My turn first. Whirl. Whirl. Your turn. Whirl. My turn again. Whirl. Whirl. Your turn. well. Excellent. You've worked really hard today and should feel really proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!